ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ
Exhibition, all the success. Thank you.
सर चलो सर इधर 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 आ जाओ सर पीछे आइए आराम से सर आराम से कीजिए सर सर थोड़ा इधर आइए सर ऐसे ही करिए सर एक फोटो ले लीजिए क्लोज हो
Exhibition is being held by Central Silk Board under the aegis of Silk Mark organization, and it is being held for the first time in Rangoli Metro Art Center, which is at the heart of the city, just next to MG Road. And we really hope that they have a very good business, because for past 2 or 3 years, I should say, there has not been any business because of the pandemic. So we really wish them all the best, that they have a good business, because they provide the authentic silk and they are acting as a platform for the silk weavers as well as the silk consumers. So from silk weavers side, they are ensuring that 100% pure silk is being provided, and for consumers it is very convenient that sitting in Bangalore or living in Bangalore, they can have silk saris and silk products from 9 different states from where these weavers have come, like UP, MP, Maharashtra, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Karnataka also. So I think it's a very good opportunity for everyone to avail of it.
Crowd as well as the turnover of the
That I cannot say that how much is the expected turnover, but I really hope that people are able to avail of this opportunity, because they have made all this effort to bring all these weavers from different states at one place. So I think all the Bangaloreans should make use of this opportunity. And now that tomorrow is Varmahalakshmi, it is a tradition to buy saris on Varmahalakshmi. So I hope all the Bangaloreans come and purchase from here. Thank you so much.
Member Secretary and CEO of the Central Silk Board, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. This Silk Mark Expo we used to organize in every city in the country, and after this pandemic we have again started organizing this program in Bangalore also. In this program there are 20 weavers from different states who have participated, and they all pure silk material is available here, and that too tested by our Silk Mark organization authorities. So here we basically we wanted to promote pure silk among the consumers, and also build a confidence in the consumers that whatever they are getting, it is a pure silk.
so this is the like
8 years this type of expo we are organizing in all the cities, even Hyderabad, Delhi, Bangalore, Calcutta, Chennai. So there is a entire calendar of the total year where this program will be organized, and we have a Silk Mark users, those who are trained in the entire process, and they very enthusiastically participate in these programs. You will be able to see that there are SHG groups and the original weavers from Varanasi, then the Mysore and other places. So they hope that they will be having good business here.
So tomorrow you must be.
But it is the question of quality. You will be get an authentic thing from here without the hassles of showrooms and other things.
Which states participate?
There are weavers from West Bengal, there are weavers from Karnataka, then the Maharashtra, then Jharkhand, and Karnataka is already there. So many other states are there. Of course, northeastern states could not participate due to the rainy season. But whenever we organize it in Delhi, Bombay, they also participate.
नहीं हाँ 56 का है।
और महंगा है।
और ये 32
इसमें वो बात नहीं है जो इसमें है।
ये 3.5 का ना
3.5 महीने लग गया
3.5-4 महीना।
मैं गया और देखा उनका बनाते बड़ा
इस साइड से ये मूर्ति है, फर्स्ट टाइम पार्टिसिपेट किया है।
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಣ್ಣ
ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा सा फैशन चेंज किया है। जैसे ऑल ओवर में पहले करते थे, अभी सिर्फ पल्लू में किया। आप जो देख रहे हैं ये वाला कलर से।
क्या प्राइस बताया इसका?
मैम ये 6-8 का था। पहले हम लोग ऑल ओवर में करते थे, ठीक है। अभी थोड़ा सा फैशन चेंज किया है। जैसे ऑल ओवर में पहले करते थे, अभी सिर्फ पल्लू में किया। आप जो देख रहे हैं ये वाला कलर से।
क्या प्राइस बताया इसका?
मैम ये 6-8 का था।
ये 3.5 का ना
3.5 महीने लग गया
3.5-4 महीना।
मैं गया और देखा उनका बनाते बड़ा
इस साइड से ये मूर्ति है, फर्स्ट टाइम पार्टिसिपेट किया एक्सपो में।
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಮಗಳ ಮದುವೆ, ಕನಸಿನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮನೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಣ ಹೊಂದಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಡಿ. ನೀವು ಅಡವಿಟ್ಟ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹಳೆ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡು ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾಕಿ ಹಣ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕಂಪನಿ.